Hello, it's Cassie here with Trinity Stamps, and I'm so excited to be sharing a product release video for the Sweet Shop release. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Cozy Bear Sweet Shop stamps and dies. The newest addition to the Cozy Bear series is the Cozy Bear Sweet Shop, a set that includes 25 different stamps to help create a candy shop scene. This was illustrated by Christie Black, and there are coordinating dies that come separately. That is a 20-piece die set that coordinates with the Cozy Bear Sweet Shop stamp set, and it cuts out all of the pieces that you see here, actually all of the stamps, and it can make for some really adorable scenes. So there are all the pieces cut out. Now let's take a look at a card that I made for you. I made a little mini slimline using some of the pieces in there, but just imagine the possibilities of coordinating this with some of the other Cozy Bear series stamp sets. Now let's take a look at what our incredibly talented design team has made to inspire you with this Cozy Bear Sweet Shop stamp set. Lots and lots of great fun and possibilities. Be sure to check out all that Trinity Stamps has going on over on their blog, Facebook page, and Instagram for more crafty inspiration. Thanks for spending time with me, and I hope you have a great day.